Grammy. Good boy. Do you like socks, Remy? Remy, do you like socks? Oh, you like socks, don't you? Oh, you like that?
Nuke.
Hey, kitty. Whoop. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Go pick the. Go get the.
I can't. No, he's sniffing it.
What is going on here? Where do these things come from? They just fell out of the sky. Look at these socks. Oh my goodness.
He's looking at us. I think he knows we did it.
Do you want more? Do you want more socks, Remy? No, you good? Whoa! What was that? Okay, they're yours. Good boy. Say bye-bye. Say goodbye. The camera loves you, baby.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, hi. What's going on? Where did all this stuff come from? Gonna keep it?
Mm-hmm.